Okay, so I'm only playing this for content because some of my friends play this, but they play it on they play it on computer. I'll play it on computer too. So basically, this is a runner game. Oh, R. I played it on PC too. I can't use the computer right now, so that's sad. This is slow. Oh yeah, I didn't know what this was. Yeah, I don't know what the... I think that... Oh yeah. Okay, now I just realized the 2 times the star just boosts up the score. That's what it does. Just running. I can see good, so I know when danger comes. I don't know all of the controls. A new update dropped, and yeah, that was the seriously? Okay, but that was the part where when my first death went. I was learning controls. Well, I mean, I already knew the controls. Don't get hit from the trains. Oh, yeah, give me that O now. Are you serious? It's only because I don't want to get hit. There we go. Oh, I just need a T now. Oh, there's the T. Oh, ow. Ow. Well, that was the highest score. 1, 2. Oh, I didn't know that existed. Oh, cool. Huh? Oh, so this is the Easter. This is the Easter hunt. Oh, so there's this daily thing. I gotta learn. Event coins, blah blah blah. I've got random mail. Oh, cool. Cool. Events. Okay. So there's a me here. Okay. Wait, how do you get those now? Okay, there's all of these random skins. What? Now, do some boards I could claim? I don't know. Oh yeah. Starboard. I don't know why it has to play that weird music. Yeah. Oh, this one. Yeah, this one's the good one. Oh. Finish the mission. Yeah, so run again. So the guy that's chasing me is a bunny now. And if I get hit but not die, then he will come near me. I'll just go a bit slow. What is that? What is that? Okay. That's some big shoes. That was some big shoes. How can those big shoes fit on this fatty? Wait, he's not fat. Is he? Dang it. Only doing this for content because I'm bored. One of my friends suggested me this. Gimme. Gimme. Okay. I guess I'll jump a lot. Do you want that? Do you want that? How do I get that? I want that. How much coins are over here? Because that was too much. Imagine you just collected the magnet and then all of these coins up here. Just imagine. That was risky. Now you know me. I'm good at rhythm games. I'm also good at runner games because I played Temple Run. Temple Run was an OG game. Temple Run was such an OG game. Time to go swaggish. Oh, oh my board saves me. When I get hit, my board saves me. That's actually not a good. That's actually a good thing. That makes boards useful. I'm only getting arrested because I plant some little graffiti, which I didn't want to happen. I mean, I didn't want that to happen, but the character here wanted to do it. So he kind of deserves to be arrested now. So this is also a classic game. No, oh, ow. Ow. Damn. Okay. I think I'm gonna play one more round. And, yeah, I'm gonna do one more. That's it. What's this? Boonie. Are these the new Mario Star coins? Because they have stars on them. And they look smaller and better than the Mario Star coins in New Super Mario Bros. Be careful. This is where you died. This game is a bit boring, but then it can get challenging. Like it gets fast speed over time, and you gotta deal with that because you don't control the game. The game controls you. That's a magnet. Give me that magnet. Wait, I already have the magnet. That's a lot of coins. That's a lot of coins to get rich. And that's the jumping. Damn. Now I'm done with the game.